Wait a minute, is Dave dipping into your bank account? That's probably not the friendly neighbor you were expecting, right? If you've noticed unexpected withdrawals labeled Dave, you're definitely not alone, and it's understandable to feel a little uneasy, maybe even a bit panicked. Let's unpack what's going on here and why this fintech friend might be taking money out of your account. First off, who exactly is Dave? Dave is a popular banking app designed to help you manage your finances, avoid overdraft fees, and even get small cash advances. Think of it as a digital financial assistant. Many people find its features incredibly helpful for bridging gaps between paychecks or keeping their accounts in the green. So, if Dave is supposed to be helpful, why the withdrawals? The most common reason Dave takes money from your account is for repayment of those cash advances. When you take out a Dave Extra cash advance, you agreed to pay it back on your next payday. Dave automatically debits the agreed-upon amount from your linked bank account on that specified date. This is a standard part of their service agreement, and it's how they ensure they can continue to offer these advances to other users. Another potential reason for a withdrawal could be related to Dave's optional Dave Spending account and debit card. If you've opted for this account, any transactions you make using your Dave debit card will, of course, result in money being taken from your Dave Spending balance, which is funded from your linked external account. So, if you've been using a Dave debit card, those withdrawals are likely just reflecting your spending activity. Then there's the Dave tip. When you receive an extra cash advance, Dave will often prompt you with an option to leave a small tip. While tipping is entirely voluntary, if you did choose to leave a tip, that amount will also be debited from your account along with the repayment of the advance. It's easy to forget about a small tip you might have agreed to earlier, so it's worth checking your past transactions within the Dave app to see if that's the case. Finally, it's crucial to consider the possibility of an error or unauthorized activity, although this is less common with reputable financial apps like Dave. If you don't recognize the withdrawal at all, haven't taken out in advance, and don't have a Dave Spending account or remember leaving a tip, then it's important to investigate further immediately. So, what should you do if you see these unexpected Dave withdrawals? Your first step should be to open your Dave app. Navigate to your transaction history. This will give you a detailed breakdown of all debits and credits to your linked account or your Dave Spending account. You should be able to see which withdrawals correspond to advance repayments, spending activity, or tips. If something still doesn't look right, or if you didn't authorize a particular transaction, the next step is to contact Dave's customer support directly through the app. They have a support team dedicated to helping users resolve issues like this. Be prepared to provide them with the specific dates and amounts of the withdrawals in question. They can investigate further and help you understand what happened. It's always a good practice to regularly monitor your bank statements for any unusual activity, regardless of whether you use apps like Dave or not. This helps you catch any potential errors or unauthorized transactions quickly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.